Friends, today we'll see a Dimm display problem, how to solve a Dimm display. Now we have this Dell laptop and this laptop having Dimm display problem. Okay, now we'll turn on the laptop. We connect the laptop to the DC power supply. Here the current is showing and there is a Dimm display. Okay, the display is not coming. Now we'll open that flap. Okay, we'll open that flap. Open it. Now we'll open the LED panel. Okay, now we'll take a torch, or we can take a mobile phone and turn on the torch, and then we'll see a display. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, you can see. Yeah, you can see the display is there, but it's a backlight not on. So this panel is 30 pin connector. It's called ADP connector. Okay, and we are going to check the signal. This one is the ADP connector, 30 pin connector. Pin number 22 and 23 we should get a 3 volt, and then pin number 26 to 29 we should get a 19 volt. So we are going to check this 22 and 23 and then 26 to 29. Okay, this is my pin number 1. This is a 30 pin connector, and this is pin number 1. From pin number 1 I have to count 22 and 23. Pin number 22 I should get a 3.3 volt. Now I connect to pin number 22, my laptop is power on and it's showing a 0 volt. You can see on the multimeter. I connect to the pin number 22 and in meter it's showing a 0 volt. So here is my problem. Then pin number 23. The next pin is 23. Pin number 23 showing it's supposed to show 3 volt. You can see pin number 23 showing a 3 volt. That is a perfect. And then the next pin number is 26, 27, 28, 29. 26, 28, 29, and this pin will show 18 volt. Or the adapter voltage. See, connect totally. It's showing 18 volt at pin number 26. So in this laptop we can find there is 1 volt missing on the pin number 22. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to give a 3 volt directly to this pin. Okay. So in this pin, you can see in this diagram. So this pin number 12 and 13 is my VCC supply 3 volt. So from pin number 2, I'll put a jumper to pin number 22. Okay.
कितना था?
I'll make a jumper from pin number 22 to pin number 12. So we put a jumper from pin number 22 to pin number 12. Okay, so we are going to turn on this laptop now. So connect the jumper. Now my laptop is ready to work. Okay, so connect the power. Top is power on. Yes, and now display is there. So see, in this way we see how to solve a Dimm display problem in laptop. Thank you very much. Bye.